is Nidhi from Edulyx, powered by Science Adda. Hope all of you are doing well and coping well with COVID-19. So today we have brought you a very interesting phenomena. It is about something that you use on day-to-day basis. So we are going to talk about glue sticks. So like us, many of you would have wondered, why does glue stick different things and why does not it stick to its own bottle? And not only you, many scientists have wondered the same thing. So let's see what is the phenomena that helps glue stick things. According to historians and archaeologists, adhesives has been used from very long time. In the Stone Age too, there was use of adhesives that is very evident. The Stone Age man used to stick his stone axe to its wooden handle with the help of adhesives made from sugar, flour, and anything that can be found in his immediate environment by boiling it in water and then using it as a glue. Even today, we use many natural adhesives, but mostly we use artificial adhesives known as synthetic resins. Some of the common synthetic resins are polyvinyl acetate and phenol formaldehyde. So the answer behind why glue sticks is force. So as we all know that behind everything that happens in the universe, force is a major reason. So why glue sticks? Force is the reason for that. So there are two types of forces that we know: cohesive forces and adhesive forces. Cohesive forces are the forces that act between molecules of the same substance, while adhesive forces are the forces that act between the molecules of a substance to another. The example of cohesive forces is between water molecules, which is why water column is able to be formed. While the example of adhesive forces is sticking of water to glass windows after rain. In case of glue, we need both the forces, the adhesive forces and the cohesive forces, very strong. If the adhesive force of the glue is weak, it would not stick to the surface. If cohesive force of the glue is weak, then it would not stick to itself. So it would not be able to stick things. So what makes glue special is it has strong adhesive and cohesive force properties. And so it is able to stick to itself as well as to the surface. Now there are different types of glues. Like as you can see, two of them I am holding. So these have different adhesive and cohesive properties, and due to which they are able to stick substances and are not able to stick some substances. So why doesn't glue stick to its tube or to its bottle? This is because the bottle or the tube of the glue has been dipped in a solution that does not allow it to form adhesive bonds with the glue. And this is the reason we use some bottles for the glue, and if we pour that into some other bottle, that it may stick to that bottle. Hope you like the video, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel Edulyx. So please write in the comment section what are the questions that have always bothered you and you have been finding answers to them. Maybe we could help you find their answers, and so please post your questions in the comment section below. Also, hope you like the video and you will share it on your Instagram and Facebook pages and help us promote our page.